Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. Let's continue with our mathematics lesson with Teacher Mahfuza. In this video, we will learn about subtract 3-digit numbers using the number lines and blocks. Okay, for the first method, we will use number line method. Okay, let's read the number sentence. 150 minus 40. So first, we do number line. Okay, if subtraction, we will start at the bigger number. Which one the bigger number? Yes, 150. And we put 150 on the right side of the number line. We want to subtract 40. So easy for us to subtract 10. Okay, look at this video. Okay, 10, 20, 30 and 40. So we will subtract 4 times. 4 kali. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, every step we will subtract 10 or count back in 10. Okay, what is count back in 10? Minus 10. Okay, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10 and minus 10. Okay, start from 150. 150 minus 10 equals to 140. 140 minus 10 equals to 130. 130 minus 10 equals to 120. And 120 minus 10 equals to 110. So we get the answer 110. Let's look at another example. 500 minus 200. Okay, first we do number line. Okay, and then we choose which one the bigger number, 500 or 200. Yes, 500 is the bigger number and we put 500 on the right side of the number line. Then we want to subtract 200. Easy for us to subtract 100, 100. Okay, look at this video. 100, 200. So we will subtract 2 times. 1, 2. Okay, 2 times. 1, 2. Every step we will subtract 100, 100 or count back in hundreds. Okay, minus 100, minus 100. Okay, let's start count. Okay, we start from 500. 500 minus 100 equals to, yes, 400. 400 minus 100 equals to 300. So we get the answer 300. Okay, 300. Subtraction 3-digit numbers without regrouping. How can we use blocks or we can call 100 square to subtract? Let's look at 156 minus 32. We can use blocks or 100 squares to represent 156. Let's fill in 156 in the box. Start from 6 in 1's place, 5 in 10's place, and 1 in 100's place. Okay, now let's subtract 32. Okay, start by subtracting the ones. Can we take away 2 from 6 here? Yes, we can. Now let's move 2 from 6. Okay, 1, 2. How many left here? Berapa yang tinggal? Yes, there are 4 left. Okay, now let's continue in tens. Okay, can we take away 3 from 5? Yes, we can. Now let's take 3 from 5. 1, 2, and 3. How many left here? Yes, 2 left. 2 yang tinggal. Okay, the last one, 100. Okay, no number here. So, what can we do? So, we keep 1 in hundreds. Okay, what is the difference they are? Okay, 1 in hundreds, 2 in tens, and 4 in ones left, yang tinggal. So 156 minus 32 is equal 124. Now, let's look at another example. Subtraction 3-digit numbers with regrouping. 173 minus 139. We can use blocks or 100 squares to represent 173. Let's fill in 173 in the box. Start from 3 in ones, 7 in tens, and 1 in hundreds. Let's subtract 139. Start by subtracting the ones. Okay. Can we take away 9 from 3? No, we can't. Not enough. Tidak cukup. So, what can we do? Look at tens. We can borrow 1 from tens and add 10 blocks in ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. How many blocks now? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now we got 13 in ones. Can we take away 9 from 13? Yes, we can. Let's move 9 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, how many blocks left? Yes, there are 4 ones blocks left. Okay, 4 yang tinggal. Now, we subtract tens. Okay, 3. Can we take away 3 from 6? Yes, we can. Let's take 3 tens blocks. 1, 2, 3. Now, how many left? Yes, there are 3 tens blocks left. Let's continue. In 100, can we take away 1 from 1? Yes, we can. Let's take 100 blocks. Okay, now how many blocks here? Yes, there are 0 hundredths block left. Tak ada block. Okay. What is the difference? How many blocks left now? Okay. There are 0 in hundreds, 3 in tens, and 4 in ones. Okay, 173 minus 139 is equal to 34. See some exercise in Mathematics Activity Book Year 2. Do Activity 1. Subtract using the number lines. Okay, A, 130 minus 20. First, we find the bigger number. Okay, 130 is the bigger number and we put on the right side of the number line. Okay, now we want to subtract 20. How many times we will subtract? Okay, let's count the arrow. 1, 2. Okay, so we will subtract 2 times and every step we will count back in tens. Okay, minus 10 it means count back in tens. Now we got the answer 110. Okay, for B, 250 minus 40. Find the bigger number. Okay, 250 is the bigger number and we put on the right side of the number line. Then we want to subtract 40. How many times we will subtract? So we can subtract 10, 10. Okay. Count back in tens. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Okay. Now we got the answer 210. Okay, C, 400 minus 100. Okay, 400 is the bigger number and we put on the right side. Okay, then we want to subtract 100. How many times we will subtract? Okay, for this, we will subtract just 1 times. So, 400 minus 100 equals to 300. And you write down here the answer, the correct answer here. Okay, D, 760 minus 300. Okay, which one the bigger number? Yes, 760 is the bigger number and we put on the right side of the number line. Then, we want to subtract 300. How many times we will subtract? Okay, 300, we will subtract 100, 100. So, we will count back in hundreds. Okay, how many times? 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So, 760 minus 100 equals to 660. 660 minus 100 equals to 560. 560 minus 100 equal to, okay, you got the answer. You write down in the box. Let's look at the exercise in Activity Book, page 42. Question number 2. Calculate. A, 237 minus 16. First, look at the box here. There are 237 blocks. We subtract 16. Let's take out the cross block in ones and in tens. Now, in hundreds, we got 2 hundreds block, 2 in tens, and 1 in ones. So, the difference between 237 and 16 is 221. Now, let's continue in B. 459 minus 43. Look at the box here. Okay, we take out the cross blocks in ones and in tens. Now, how many blocks left? Okay. Try to do your own and write the correct answer here. For this exercise, you can refer to my previous video, the topic of subtraction without regrouping.